Here we are, we're making bread rolls, cheddar and sun-dried tomato from Wrights, and it costs £1 for this, and we've mixed it with the water, 320 mils at pretty hand hot, and then we've given it 5 minutes mixing and 5 minutes standing. And now we're going to give it another little mix up to get everything nice and working, the yeast. And what we're going to do then, we're going to go back into the bowl, cover with cloth, stick it into the little oven which is on 35 degrees. And if you haven't got a little oven, put it somewhere nice and warm to rise, and we're going to give this about 20 minutes. So in the meantime I'm going to entertain you with a bit of music. Back soon. Well, here we are. It's more than doubled in size now, so we're going to flop it out onto the board which is floured. A bit more flour on it so we can handle it without sticking to it. And now what we're going to do is weigh it on the scales. I'll put the scales into metric, and it weighs 83.7 grams. So we'll divide that into 10, and we'll try and get each bun weighing about the same. So take a bun off, and then that's a bit big, that, so we put and take till you get them about 80 grams each, something like that. So we'll carry on till we've done them all, and then you'll see what I mean. Well, there we are. We've got our about 10 buns. They're going to go back in the little oven now till they've considerably risen, and then we'll bake them for 15 minutes at 220 degrees centigrade, and we should have a nice bun there for with our soup, which I've already made, leek and potato as usual. See you later. Here we are. The buns I've had 15 minutes baking in the oven at 220 degrees centigrade, and after they're cooled they can be separated and they can be served with the leek and potato soup which I made earlier. So there we are. Mediterranean style food demands Mediterranean style music. Ciao!